Data visualization, transforming data into visual stories. Data visualization is the process of representing data in graphical or pictorial formats, such as charts, graphs, maps, and dashboards. It helps transform complex data sets into visual representations that are easier to understand, interpret, and act upon. By revealing patterns, trends, and outliers, data visualization turns raw numbers into meaningful insights that support better decision-making. In the era of big data, organizations deal with massive amounts of information. Data visualization plays a vital role in simplifying this complexity. Instead of analyzing rows and columns of numbers, decision-makers can quickly grasp insights through well-designed visuals. Why data visualization matters. The human brain processes visual information much faster than text or numbers. A single chart can convey information that would take pages of reports to explain. This makes data visualization a powerful communication tool, especially for non-technical audiences. For example, a line graph can show sales trends over time, a bar chart can compare product performance, and a heat map can highlight geographic patterns in customer behavior. These visual tools help teams identify areas for improvement, track performance, and make data-driven decisions. Key types of data visualization. Charts and graphs. Line charts, bar charts, pie charts, and scatter plots are commonly used to show relationships, comparisons, and trends. Dashboards. Interactive dashboards combine multiple visualizations to provide a real-time overview of key performance indicators, KPIs. Maps. Geographic data can be visualized using heat maps, choropleth maps, or geoplots to understand location-based patterns. Infographics. These combine visuals and brief text to tell a data-driven story in a compelling and easy-to-share format. Network graphs. These are used to display relationships and connections between entities, such as in social networks or supply chains. Popular data visualization tools. Several tools make it easier to create high-quality visualizations. Tableau, Power BI, Google Data Studio, Microsoft Excel, Python, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, R, ggplot2. Each tool has its strengths, depending on the complexity of the data and the audience. Applications of data visualization. Data visualization is used across various fields. Business. Track sales, marketing performance, customer engagement, and ROI. Healthcare. Monitor patient outcomes, track disease spread, and analyze healthcare delivery. Finance. Visualize stock trends, risk metrics, and portfolio performance. Education. Measure student performance and analyze feedback. Government. Display public data, budget usage, and census information. Challenges in data visualization. Creating effective visualizations requires more than just technical tools. Key challenges include choosing the right type of chart for the data, avoiding misleading or cluttered visuals, ensuring data accuracy and integrity, designing for accessibility and clarity.